Hello viewers, welcome to Three Sisters CookHouse. Today's recipe is a very simple, crunchy and healthy tea time snack, Gram Dal Nuggets or Pottukadalai Pakoda. These delicious nuggets or pakodas are easy to prepare with readily available ingredients at home. Come, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup roasted gram dal, 2 large onions finely chopped. Make sure to peel 1 or 2 layers of onions and wash it thoroughly before chopping them. 2 green chilies or Thai chilies finely chopped. A handful of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. 2 sprigs of curry leaves. 1/4 inch finely chopped ginger. Red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon broken cashews and 2 teaspoon ghee. You can alternatively use clarified or melted butter. Add roasted gram dal to a mixer jar and grind it to a coarse powder. Transfer the powder to a bowl. To the same bowl, add onions, green chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves, ginger, chilli powder, cashews, ghee or melted butter, and salt to your taste. Now mix all the ingredients together. Add water in batches. Keep mixing the ingredients until everything binds together and forms a dropping consistency. Make sure the mixture is not too watery. Pour enough oil to a pan. I have used groundnut oil. You can also use coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil as per your preference. Make sure the oil is hot enough for deep frying. Now, take a small portion of the prepared nuggets or pakoda mixture and flip them one after the other inside the hot oil. Let it deep fry for few minutes. Remember to flip sides. After few minutes, the nuggets turns golden brown on both sides. Now, the crispy, healthy fried nuggets are ready to eat. Enjoy this yummy snack with a dip of ketchup and a cup of hot tea or coffee. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.